All right, so hi everyone, my name is Vivian. Nice to meet you all. For many years, I led the $1 billion high jewelry category at Tiffany. Despite achieving double-digit growth every year, something always bothered me. We crafted exquisite jewelry that lasts for generations, but only able to make profit from them once, from its first sale. I know the story doesn't end there. Our products were resold repeatedly on the secondary market, sometimes even at higher prices. While marketplaces are making billions of dollars of these transactions, brands like Tiffany are left on the sideline with no revenue, no visibility, and no control. This is not just a Tiffany problem, it's a systemic, industry-wide issue. Resale has exploded into a $1.3 trillion economy, yet brands that created this economy are completely locked out. So I left my corporate job, we assembled a world-class team, I brought on a brilliant CTO, and we recruited world-class advisors. We are on a mission to transform the fundamental economic structure of the retail industry. So meet Solaire. We embed peer-to-peer resale capabilities directly into physical products, allowing brands to finally be able to monetize beyond their products for sale. Let me take you to a use case with one of our clients. These are Siltech cables. They're made of 24-karat gold, retail starting at $5,000. They're made by this company called International Audio Holdings, 40 years legacy in the business, 3 brands with millions of products at secondary circulation. A quick search on eBay confirms its strong resale demand. However, the company receives weekly emails from confused customers trying to validate the authenticity of their purchasers. Unfortunately, the answer is often no, which erodes customer trust, brand value, and punishes legitimate resellers. Now, partnering with Solaire, every IAH product, past or present, is equipped with a smart digital certificate. Simply tap the security tag, open the certificate, and click on resell. Our system generates a private encrypted link that works like PayPal link, but it handles the job of entire resale marketplace, from listing to payment to escrow, shipping, authentication, and even dispute management, all on-chain, peer-to-peer, wallet-to-wallet. Each transaction is digitally authenticated by the brand, its original maker, allowing them to earn a resale royalty of every single transaction and also access critical data on resale trends and consumer behavior. Of course, we don't just work with cable companies. So we work with brands across luxury goods, fashion, collectibles, baby products, mobility, accessing a network of $5 billion in resale revenue, in resale GMV. So how do we make money? We charge an implementation fee, a monthly licensing fee for white label clients, and a GMV-based transaction fee. We're on track to make $600K in revenue this year with the goal of achieving profitability next year. Why is our model better? Well, traditional marketplaces face a classic two-sided cold start problem, having to manage unpredictable consumer listing on one side and costly buyer acquisition on the other side. Not to mention the heavy operational, financial, and legal burden of human authentication to combat counterfeit. So Solaire flips the model. By working directly with the brands, we are able to secure inventory and ensure authenticity directly from the source. Our decentralized, link-based model allows sellers to take the marketplace, meet buyers where they are, tapping into existing market buyer network and demand. And resale is only the beginning. We're building the foundation for next-gen commerce, where every product will continue to generate value for brands well beyond its first sale. In the near future, we envision that customers will use their digital certificate to access a real-time appraisal, be able to insure their products, and be able to collateralize their ownership for loans, all while brands earning commission for every single one of these services. With the resale data that flows through our system, brands gain powerful insight, allowing them to build an army of AI agents that will autonomously manage their day-to-day business operations to optimize them, from things like production planning, pricing, inventory management, turning static products into smart, revenue-generating assets throughout its entire life cycle. We raised a pre-seed last year validating our vision and technology. We're raising $2 million right now to excel the next level of growth. The funding will provide 2-year runway until we reach profitability in Series A. So if you're equally passionate about turning product longevity into lasting profit, let's talk. And I don't need a drink.